Hi everybody, I'm Manny from TNCRoamer, and today I'm in Monticello, Florida. Technically I'm at the Monticello Ecological Park, and we're going to go for a walk in a minute. The ride in here was really nice. Let me show you some footage of what driving through Monticello, Florida looks like. Let's go to the park, have some lunch.
In 1,000 feet, at the traffic circle, take the third exit onto South Jefferson Street. Exit the traffic circle onto South Jefferson Street. Continue on South Jefferson Street for half a mile. In a quarter mile, turn right onto West Seminole Avenue. Turn right onto West Seminole Avenue. In 600 feet, turn right onto South Water Street. Turn right onto South Water Street, then your destination will be on the left.
Tell me they have parking. Is that their parking lot right there? Just that one thing? We'll take it. It's basically just one spot. Just the scale of these trees, they're huge. Lot of rot, lot of rot. Yeah, a nice cool spring day walk like this really does the mind and body good. Tulip poplar. This tree, found only in a few places in Florida, is abundant here, also known as the tulip tree and yellow poplar. These old growth trees are truly some of the giants of our parks. Its soft, fine grained wood makes the tulip poplar favorite among woodcarvers. That is one deciduous tree. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that. That's just the diameter of that tree is amazing. Look at the carnage, tree carnage from that hurricane. However, you will notice the termite damage already in the stump. So that was getting worked on for quite a while before it just gave up. Poplar was popular to use furniture back in the day, where we had IKEA particle board. It's got to be 100 feet. Yeah, maybe 50. Still going. There we go. Wow. Look at that. That would make a really good wallpaper, wouldn't it? I'm gonna do that. There's just something so peaceful about walking through this forest and seeing the life and the death. Look at that. The see that right there? That's all termite damage. Wow. Wow, the water is crystal clear. All right, everybody, that's it for Monticello, Florida. I'm Andy from TNCRoamer, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.